So you think you got a plumbing problem. So you wake up in the middle of the night or you get ready for shower and guess what? There's no hot water. So which one is right for you? Do you realize there's between 40 and 60 different manufacturers of water heaters right here in the United States? And some manufacturers like A.O. Smith, they have over 60 models, everything from gas, natural gas, electric. Man, there's the tank kind, there's tankless. Man, these guys are so popular. Which one is right for you? And what's the right size? You know, Bradford White, man, they have an 80-gallon offering. That produces a lot of hot water. Is it a 50-gallon, a 40, a 30? Is it a tall boy? Is it a little fat boy? Which one is the right one for you? There's only one way to know. You got to do your research. And that's what I want to encourage you to do. Do your research on water heaters. You'll be amazed at what you find. But if I can make you an offering, if I can give you a suggestion, it's this right here. Drain your water heater. That's right. Grab your garden hose, right, and put it on the bottom of your water heater. Turn all the power off. Drain your water heater. You're going to be amazed at what comes out. As a matter of fact, what comes out on the other end, if you keep it in your driveway, you'll probably take pictures of it and put it on Facebook. You'll be amazed what comes out. But what it's going to do is going to make it last longer because you get sediment, you get rust, you get things, elements inside of your water heater, and that causes you to have less hot water, and we all want hot water. And there's another tip I got for you, right? And this one, at first, you're going to say, I don't like it, but it's a great tip. Turn your water heater down by 10 degrees. Do you realize the difference between 120 and 110 degrees you probably can't feel? And in addition, it's going to save you money because it'll save you energy. Hey, it's just something I want you to think about because we all got to have water heaters, but which one's the right one for you?